Hey, welcome back to Lanco's Hot Rod Garage. Been busy out here doing a few things, trying to get more organized, and I thought I would put something together to show you what I've been up to. Okay, as you can see, I have got things more organized here. This toolbox is done. Everything's in it. I had to replace this wheel down here because it was damaged in shipping. Took a while to get that straightened out. I've been working on this snap-on toolbox, cleaning it up, getting it ready to sell. If anyone is interested in buying it, put something down in the comments, let me know. I'll try to include some more pictures in the video at the end. I cleaned this old Waterloo bottom box up, and I bought this new black 2-drawer up here, and this is all designated for metalworking tools. Trying to get more organized in the drawers. Got all my stuff separated, body tools, got all my grinders and everything down here. Got Dad's old grinder down here. That thing's a beast. I don't know how he used that every day. Cleaned up this welding cart that was sitting by the garage door up front. Got mud all over it and never did clean it up when I brought it back here. It looks a lot better. Got this thing more organized with stuff out of the bottom of the welding table. It was all cluttered, so I moved everything out of the welding box into the designated box over here. So I got this more organized. As you can see, get rid of that clutter. I hate that. Bought a few tools here lately. This work light here, got on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. 25 bucks I think I paid for 2 of those. It's magnetic. Got this for this table. I like to try and light up my work a little bit better so I can see what I'm welding. Got this tote, this tool caddy from Performance Tools off of Zorro. I'm always taking stuff back and forth to the house. I'm always carrying it, trying not to drop everything. So this thing's pretty cool. This little feature here, you can put your cell phone in here. This is magnetic. These indentations right here, you can put a piece of pipe on there if you wanted and use your hacksaw. I'll try to put links down in the comments for all these new things that I bought. This is a slick new tool here. This is a chamfering tool that I saw on Finnegan's Garage, which if anybody who does fabrication tries to bevel anything, it's especially on a piece of pipe or tubing, it's difficult to make a nice bevel. So this thing basically has a cutter bit in here, and you go along the metal and you can set the depth. I'm going to do a separate video on this to show you how it works. That's a neat tool. Only about 100 bucks. So anyway, that's what's been going on out here. Getting ready to get this up and start working on it. Hopefully in the next week or so. I'm gonna try and get this ready for spring. I'm pretty much done with my cleaning. Oh, I did put something else up over here. I got a shelf behind the drill press. Every time I use this vise, I was looking for a place to put it, so I thought I'm gonna just put a shelf up back here. So I have a place to put that, and my drill bits. I got my drill bits up here. When I get them out, if this table is not here, then I got a place to put them. So anyway, a little more organization, and hopefully it's going to make it better, not so cluttered, so I can get something done out here. Thanks for tuning in today. If you like the videos, subscribe on YouTube, go to our Facebook page and like it, and follow us on Instagram. And if you got any more questions or anything, drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer anything about any of the stuff that I've added to the shop. Thanks for watching.